Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here again, and in this lesson we're taking a look at Jailbreak by Thin Lizzy. Now, something to bear in mind, this track was originally recorded with the guitars tuned down a semitone, but for this lesson we've chosen just to keep everything at standard concert pitch. So remember, if you go to play along with the original recording, you're going to have to alter the pitch of your guitar, alter the tuning of your guitar, just notch everything down by a semitone. So we've got a few parts to look through today. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the introduction to kick things off. So this riff actually forms the basis of the verse, but it's slightly different during the introduction. We kick things off with this E5 power chord. Now it's a 3-time introduction. There is actually a single note bend as well, which I will show you in a moment. Obviously, Thin Lizzy were twin guitars. We have Scott Gorham and Brian Robertson performing on this track. So following on from that E5 chord, we have this riff based around an A5, an E5, an open E, and then an F sharp 5. And then we have another open E, and then the E5, and then the F sharp 5, back to the open E.